that Football Kenya Federation has blatantly and with impunity violated the provisions of Article 4, subsection 2 of the FIFA Standard Electoral Code by appointing one Professor Edwin Wamkoya as the chairman to the FF Electoral Board, as he had previously served as a member of the FKF Electoral Board that conducted the December 2015 to February 2016 Football Kenya Federation's elections and is thus ineligible. We demand that the FKF President and the National Executive Committee account for the 240 million Kenya shillings given by the government of Kenya towards the national team Harambee Stars for the African Cup of Nations 2019 in Egypt.
It's a demand, it's not a request that we are putting to FKF. It is a demand. And if they don't comply, then the stakeholders will take their own course by making sure that those rules are withdrawn and then there is a proper participation of all stakeholders. Because we cannot go to an election which is already predetermined.
We call upon the Registrar of Sports to urgently intervene and give directions on the conduct of Football Kenya Federation elections and its status vis-a-vis the enabling law.